Hi, thanks for joining me again. I wanted to talk today with you about something which I think is a central concern and issue for both you and I in terms of the work that we actually do with our clients, which is the whole question of client motivation. It's a continuously pressing issue, I'm aware of that. We have clients who have great difficulties motivating themselves to do particular things or to make changes in their life or to face up to particular things they find difficult. We've got clients who maybe in some instances have been sent and don't want to actually see us at all. We've got some clients who are working with us and are there because they're feeling very low and very depressed, and actually leaving the room that we're in with them is more difficult than actually staying with us. But that whole question of clients who are not as motivated as we would want them to be is often a very pressing concern, and we're often left with that question of what can I do to actually motivate the client that I'm actually working with. Now, I want to introduce you to an idea today that we're going to be opening up in a lot more detail in our certificate for resource-based therapies. And this is an idea which is so key, I'm going to repeat it a couple of times, so I think it's very often difficult to grasp. And it's the idea that our client, whoever they actually are, however they've come to see us, our client is not happy with the position that they're currently in. They're not happy with the position that they're currently in. Even when clients have been sent, and even when clients come along and they say to us, I'm fine the way I am, even in those particular instances, the clients that we're actually working with are not happy with their current position. Now, why this is such an important idea is that it provides automatically the leverage in which to actually help the client to move forward. The only way in which any of us are actually motivated to do anything is to become more aware of the fact that we are dissatisfied with our current situation. Either we've got something which we wish we didn't have, or alternatively we would like to have something which we haven't currently got. It can work one way or the other. And what we're going to be doing in our certificate on resource-based therapies is looking at how to identify that dissatisfaction that already exists within the client. It already exists. We don't have to create that motivation for the client. We first of all have to help the client identify it. We have to elicit it from the client. And I think particularly importantly is we then have to look at how we can help the client to amplify that sense of dissatisfaction, either in terms of moving away from something which they're unhappy with or moving towards something that they'd like to have as an alternative. And we'll be looking at a whole range of techniques and ideas which you'll be able to implement after this particular course to actually help your clients move forward in that particular way. I hope you're going to be a part of the work that we're doing on this certificate on resource-based therapies. It's a very exciting new development for us within SDS. It's a course which has been approved by the Learning Centre of the British Psychological Society. If you'd like to be involved and you'd like to book, either go on the website, which is www.skillsdevelopment.co.uk, or alternatively, if you'd like to book by phone, if you'd like to ring this number here, and they'll take your details and move the whole situation forward. Thank you for your time.